piloting his aircraft in the sky. Chris Darnell. Shockwave emerges from the smoke, setting up for a powerful 36,000 horsepower race. Let's look at this. Oh my goodness. Rob Hollands right out. Chris Darnell taking the good look at those Pratt Whitney engines in the back of Shockwave. I don't know about you, but I think Rob Holland and Chris Darnell are setting up for one heck of a race. A moment that you will not soon forget will be this race. In spite of the rain, preparing to settle the score today. There goes Rob all the way down there at the end. Almost 400 horsepower. Up against 36,000 horsepower in Shockwave, the jet truck. Who do you think's going to win? Shockwave or Rob Holland? I don't know. The race is always close. Let's watch him here. Rob Holland orbiting around. Chris Darnell swinging into position. Neil Darnell, he's ready to meet him. He's down there on the end doing the final safety checks. Rob Holland giving the folks in the boats and look. And it looks like they're on the starting blocks. Rob, head on. Now look at this. All the way down there on the right. Head on with Shockwave. Shockwave, though, giving him the blast, telling him he's ready. The jets are in full afterburner. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the moment we've all been waiting for. The race for the 2016 Rhode Island Airshow and Open House of Rob Holland and Shockwave, the jet truck. Count it down. 3, 2, 1, race on! Come on, for Shockwave. There's 180 already off the clock. 210, 275, 300. Oh my goodness! Chris An all-star finish there. Shockwave and Rob